the other thing that depresses me is, did you notice how I noticed another thing when I read the result of the Czech elections? Babiš or what, that billionaire pro-Putin won. But the opposition are some centrist liberals and so on. There is just a little bit of a marginal left, the same as in the UK and so on. The left is disappearing. I find this dangerous. Not because I still believe that this left could do anything, but the world in which the choice is between new populism, Trumpian populism, and old liberal democracy is a world where Trumpians can win. There is a serious chance in Europe that Le Pen will win in France, Farage in the UK, Alternative for Germany, Meloni already won, and so on and so on. So where are we? There, I think that the left should again start with serious self-criticism. The left is simply in Europe no longer taken as a serious political agent. You have marginal groups here and there, but they are not an agent. Even in the United States, the latest thing I heard is that a black Muslim guy who wants to be the mayor of New York, Mamdani, correct me with his name. Who is the
Mamdani?
Yeah. Isn't he also now he caught into some conflicts? Even there, I don't think it will work. So again, let's openly confront the deep shit we are